Alright, taking a video of the newest river, and I wanted to show you these swirls, and these are, that's a pelican, and, or a fish, I don't know what that is. There's another bird, awesome eyeball, two of them, but this is bronze with the epoxy. I just wanted to share it with you guys. It's so cool. There's another, looks like a little baby chick or something. Very cool. The pictures weren't really doing it justice, so I wanted to just put this together and show you. I'll back up a little bit so you can see the whole thing. It's, come on, focus. There we go. You see it's in the frame, and sand it down. I got a little messy, spilled some stuff on there, but I'll sand it off. So this might be a clip that I use for my next part 2 video of the 4 tables. So there you go.